Hello, and welcome back to Cameronian Grace Militaria. I'm Ian Stevenson, and I am going to be showing you the contents of this bag. I can't say this was sealed from, since World War II, because being me, I went through it, but that was years ago when I got it at a surplus store, with another bag here that I'm going to talk about in another video. But this here, I believe, it's a World War II era bag, duffel bag, to Korean War era. So, as I said, I haven't gone through this in a while, so I want to go through it with you again. This duffel bag has an X here, right here. It actually has two X's, but this is the exact same. Hand painted. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, then there's a name printed right there. Right there, right there, right there. Anyway, let's get started then. That's right. I remember this. Can't forget this. This is a World War II Navy officer's hat, or the combination hat. They would have different hat covers for this hat, like khaki, black, and so on and so forth. So I think there's some more in here, but I'm not sure. Let's get on. Whoa. So Navy hat. Now we get a Marines. I think that's a Marines. Yeah, Marines dress jacket. I think Lance Corporal. Pretty sure. Here. Has dry cleaner tag or whatever. Here, 9, blah blah blah. Let's see. Size is 34S. Small. Wow, it is small. Dinky little thing. I'm kidding. It wasn't really small, but interesting. Check the pockets. Always check the pockets if you have old clothing. You never know what you'd find. I'm pretty sure I already checked the pockets though, but that was years ago. Dun, 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 dun. Nope. Nothing in those pockets. And no. Anyway, let's get on with the search, I guess. Ooh, sorry. All right. Oh, the inside to this. The liner. Yeah, size 36. Liner, overcoat, raincoat, M50. M1950. June 26, 1952. So this is Korean War era. Figured by the jacket. Now there's a Navy hat, which I'm pretty sure that's from World War II. But maybe it's a combination of stuff. Ah, here's the khaki pants. Now, if you were in the Navy and you had a combination hat, if you had a khaki cover for it, you can put on the khaki cover for the khaki uniform. And if you had the whites, you could put on the white cover for white uniform, summer uniform. So, and then the black one for the black uniform, and so on and so on. But yeah, I am going to iron this. Definitely. Check the pockets. Nope. Nope. Nothing in there. Fortunately. Nope, nothing in there. Gotta iron these. Alright. Now. Oh, the shirt has a name in it. T. Mayberry. Like the Andy Griffith Show. Mayberry. But this is also the Lance Corporal's shirt. So that jacket must have been Mayberry's jacket in the Marines. This is 50s, I believe. Yeah, so Korean War era Marines. Oh, a scarf here. Interesting. It's very scratchy. Snoopy now. Oh, here's the pants that go with the jacket. Here. Do they fit my mannequin? Maybe. I'll have to see. Show you guys if I do that. Just gonna go through these pockets really quickly. See if there's anything in there to show you guys. Maybe not. Nope. Oh well. Alright. Nice. This is a U.S. Navy raincoat thing. Does that have a name? Oh yeah, it does. Here. Kunkel. In the name. This must go with the hat, the Navy hat, the combination hat. Interesting. Wonder what this has been through. Ah, yes, here's a cover to one of the hats. Or the hat, the combination hat. You can zip it over. I'll have to make a video on how to change a combination hat's cover. But, yeah, it's a combination hat cover. Mess kit. Let's see. Dated 1944. Has a name, McDonald. World War II era. Interesting. So, I mean, it's not Mayberry's, of course. So there's another person's thing in here. Maybe. Oh. I think that's it. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'll make another video about this stuff that came out of the duffel bag once I research it some more and stuff like that. And I'm gonna make another video about going through this bag that also came with this bag at the surplus store that I bought them both.